to go back over to this tree because I saw a lot of stuff on this tree. It's so sad that people like are so mean to and fucking not cool with nature. Like, look at this tree. I mean, this thing has been beat to hell, and it is still fucking standing. Reminds me of me. I mean, it has been fucking picked at, prodded at, you fucking name it. And this shit is like, fuck you, and I'm staying. And you can go eat it. You know, because I am here to fucking stay. You see this shit just taking over? Yes. It's awesome. It's so sad that people do this, but I saw a lot of other stuff on here. That actually looks like John right there. The name. Right there. There's tons of shit here. Chris, you know, there's a heart there, peace sign there. And I mean, there's a C on the side here. There's a heart there. You know, I mean, there's stuff all over this tree here. That peace sign down there, peace sign right here, cross right here. You know, there's a couple of crosses right here. 1, 2. You know, that there's a couple of crosses there. You know, that bomb or that dick. The A, C, K, P, J. I mean, there's tons of stuff on this that I was noticing when I was looking at it. There's a heart right there. You know, there's a heart right there. There's just so much stuff on here that I was noticing afterwards that I didn't notice before when I was looking at the video. Confirmation is booked. There's an A. There's an A. That looks like it could be Swan if the I wasn't there. Swain. Hero. Nerd. K. Yeah, Kurd. I see a couple different things there. I mean, this poor tree has been beat to hell. The FJ right there. Red. I mean, there's May. M-A-Y. Yeah. There's just shit all over this thing. You can get through there. Oh, doors open, so you're scared. Being cautious. Smart. Yeah. There's a B. An E. How fun is that? There's shit all over this fucking thing. A heart there, a heart there. It's just like this poor thing has been beat to hell. BG. C. Okay, guys, that's that's it for this beauty. Still standing strong.